All right, seventh graders, Mr. Gavin here again, continuing our essay for week 2, October 19th through October 22nd. Hopefully you completed that outline that was we were working on yesterday on Monday. Okay, for Tuesday's folder, we are going to continue working on the essay, so you see instructions of how far you should be at this point. But for now, I kind of want to go over a PowerPoint, just in case some of us are confused on our requirements for what is necessary to receive full points possible. Okay, so that is also will be in the Tuesday folder. Sorry, I guess I went a little quickly there. I am on Tuesday, 10/20, how to write a 5-paragraph essay. It's a quick PowerPoint I put together for you guys, so we are all clear on what is expected. All right, I'm going to go through it quickly for you guys. I know you guys have a lot of work to do to complete your essay. Okay, reminder, what is your prompts? Okay. What is your favorite smell? What does it remind you of? That is what your essay has to be about. Okay, you will be writing about your favorite smell. Remember, I want it to be open to you guys. Okay, I want to get the best work out of you possible. Write about something you enjoy. Okay, if you don't enjoy baking, don't write about the smell of baking. Okay, and maybe if you're a sports or an athlete, you write about a particular sport. All right, what you smell when you are there. Some of us like automobiles, vehicles. Some of us enjoy the outdoors. Okay, some of us are in different activities. Pick something that you want and will enjoy writing about. Okay, but just know it has to be a personal experience that your favorite smell reminds you of. And remember, it is a personal narrative. Therefore, sorry, there's supposed to be an E here. You must write about an event that happened in your life. Okay, it cannot be made up. It has to be an event that took place in your life. All right. Going on with the outline, hopefully we were able to complete this outline and submit it. But if not, remember you must complete this before beginning to write, okay? If you have a good outline, like I've said before, writing will be easy because all you have to do is follow your outline, formulate good sentences, add descriptive details, adjectives, make your verbs better, okay? But as long as you have a good outline, you will have a good base to begin with. All right, and I want to highlight again, the outline is important to me, so therefore it should be a big part of your final grade for this essay. All right, so just a reminder, this is what it looks like. It will be found on Schoology for Monday's folder for this week. Okay, here is a checklist for your essay. I know I've given you the rubric, so if you want more information, make sure you go and look at that rubric. It is in Schoology on Monday, 10/19 as well. But your essay must be a personal narrative about an experience that includes your favorite smell. It must be 5 paragraphs, your intro, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3, and your conclusion for a total of 5 paragraphs. Okay, your essay must include at least 3 examples of figurative language. And each body paragraph must be at least 6 sentences. Once again, go to that rubric in Schoology so that you are able to find the requirements if need be. Okay, a power statement. I know you saw the power statement. I didn't get to talk about it a lot in the outline. That's why I want to reiterate here. Your power statement will be located in your introduction paragraph. Okay, make sure it is located there in that first paragraph. Your power statement must include a number. Okay, we're only writing about one smell. We are not writing about multiple smells. So for the most part, your power statement, or probably all of us, will start like this. One of my favorite smells is. Okay, there is that power statement. There is the number that it includes. If you were confused about that part, 1 obviously is a number, although it is typed out. All right, there is your power statement. That will introduce to your reader what you are going to be talking about. Okay. Transitions is another thing I want to talk about as we go. We need to include transitions in between paragraphs, or they could be located in paragraphs as well. Notice my definition up here. In writing, a transition is a word or phrase that connects one idea to another. This connection can occur within a paragraph or between paragraphs. Okay, so in your paragraph. Okay, your examples. First, I did this. Next, I did this. After that, I did this. Okay, these are all transitions taking me from one sentence to another or from one paragraph to another. Okay, I can't just abruptly end a paragraph without a transition into my next one, okay? To let the reader know I am then going to be talking about a different topic or a different idea about my main topic, okay? So make sure we're adding those transitions throughout. That will be accumulated into your final grade as well. That goes along with the organizational piece in the rubric, as well as somewhat of the conventions and the structure piece of your essay. All right? Always feel free to ask questions of how to use transitions, when to use transitions, if you're using too many of them, if you're not using enough of them. Okay, always feel free to ask those questions if you're confused about transitions. 7th grade, I think we have a pretty good grasp on how the transition makes our writing more smooth. Okay, and don't forget, there's different resources for you. Make sure you're watching all these videos. Clearly, if you're watching right now, you've done a good job. But go back to those videos, okay? Don't just be stuck on one video and watch it one time and think you understand everything. If there's something you're missing, go ahead. They will always be available to you. Make sure you're going back and watching so you can complete the essay properly. And then always look at the rubric if you have any more questions regarding the completion of your essay. Okay? Due dates. We're always concerned with due date. Your personal narrative essay will be due Sunday, 10/25. Okay? That gives you an entire week to complete your essay. All right? An entire week. And always, good luck.